As a buyer, when you are under contract for a house, there are different stages of the purchase. So you have your inspection period and like all the repair kind of stuff, the appraisal, all the paperwork that goes on behind the scenes, like title company and all that in between. But as you're coming to the end of the process and you're about to close, about 3 days prior to close, we go do a walkthrough. We need to make sure that any repairs have been done that were agreed upon. We need to make sure that the house is in the same condition that it was in when you put the offer on the house, like no new problems with the house. That's also when you can like measure for curtains and do all that fun stuff too. But just know that we're going to do a walkthrough about 3 days prior. That gives us a little time if there is something wrong with it that was not fixed, that was supposed to be fixed. It gives the seller a little bit of time to get those repairs done before closing so that closing doesn't get held up or close late.